on OTT? Will there be a lesser time limit since it's releasing in theaters? Because that has been the trend, like it happened in case of Master. So when are you planning to come on OTT?
See, that is all depend on theaters and all. We are still talking to them. We'll see how it goes in theaters and all, and then only we'll take a call. Means when, what will be the, it should be a shorter window or whatever it is. We have not decided yet.
Imran and John, what is it about the gangster drama space that you guys go back? You know, what is it about the space that lures you so much as actors?
Uh, I'm doing one after very long. I mean, so much so. I mean, when Gupta came and met me in my van, I had pre-decided before the narration started that he's come to offer me a gangster's role. I don't know why. And I was very pleasantly surprised when he said, "You're playing the cop." But again, then there was a fear after that. I was very anxious कि ये एक righteous cop नहीं निकले. He doesn't turn out to be a very unidimensional, straight-jacketed cop. But then Gupta said, ये cop भी गुंडे से कम नहीं है. So then I realized that, okay, now I have something to chew on in this film because I've never really ever seen characters as, white hat and black hat. All these characters live in a certain gray world, which I find to be very relatable. And the making of this film, although they're two very different films, just took me back to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Just the feel, just the way we were shooting it, ultimately how the film has been mounted, all of that reminded me of that. And it's very difficult to kind of constantly surprise people in a genre, and especially a gangster genre. And that's what Sanjay was saying, that you want to surprise the audience. And I didn't pick up any script before this because those scripts were not surprising the audience. They all were like a copy of something I'd already done. But this is something that's unique in its style and its narrative.
It's like I told him, he's a gangster in uniform.
अंजना जी आप अगर थोड़ा सा बता सके
John,
आपके लेफ्ट
John, your answer on that?
No, I see. You must do films that relate to a mass audience and a universal audience, and not just a few people probably sitting in one fancy theater. And I think this film reaches out to the masses. And I saw what Mania Surve did for me, and I'm sure for Sanjay also. So I think this has got a lot of relatability with a very large section of an audience, especially I wouldn't say multiplex a single screen, but yes, the mass audiences, when you go into the interiors of India, they really remember these characters. They're memorable. Imran's character is memorable. In fact, everybody on this podium out here has a fantastic character in the film that's memorable. So I think when you make films, make it for the people. We try and cater to a very small audience. We get scared of criticism only on the net. I think the biggest cuss word today in my life, at least, is I'm scared to trend. If I trend, I know I'm a joke. So I want to stay away from this trend business. And I really want to reach out to the masses. And I think Mumbai Saga is giving us an opportunity to actually go out back into the masses where we belong to. And people like me, my career was made in screens. So why can't I reach out to them? So why can't I go back to them? I'd rather go back to them, and I'd rather be catered to by these audiences. So that's exactly what Mumbai Saga does. And I enjoy playing gangster with Sanjay Gupta. It's like on autopilot. He stands in front of me and he looks at me, John. I'm like, okay, let's go. So that's it,
अंजना जी अगर आप कुछ बता सके कैसा रहा एसोसिएशन विद मुंबई सागा के साथ में एंड जो आपका डायलॉग है बहुत ही ऐसे एनर्जेटिक है अगर आप हमें सुना सके फ्यू
हाँ
लाइंस
अगर 10 करोड़
Please.
किसी को भी मिले बहुत एनर्जेटिक होगा बट जैसे संजय सर ने पहले ही कहा कि वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही काम करते हैं मोस्टली सो आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एटमॉस्फेयर टू बी इन एंड आई थिंक जो ट्रेलर आपने देखा वो तो सब बयान करता ही है कि फिल्म क्या है गैंगस्टर्स है हम लड़कियों का कुछ काम ज़्यादा कभी रखते नहीं है संजय सर अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बॉयज़ बीटिंग अप ईच अदर but yeah, it's been a great experience. Obviously, it's a fantastic film to be part of with such a great star cast. And again, like I said, the boys beating each other because I think boys only like that, punching and kicking. But it's been a fabulous experience, and I'm just glad to be sharing this space with everyone. Thank you.
रोहित जी व्हाट अबाउट यू
Yeah. Well, like Gupta says, I'm the compulsory blind in all his films. I've always had a great time working with him. He's given me, like John said, memorable roles, whether it's Shootout at Lokhandwala or Kabil or a very different role in this film, which I'm sure will impact you in a way that you don't know. So yeah, I love working with him. Yeah, there's no question about it. We've been great friends for over 15, 16 years now, and it's comfortable. I obviously want to be part of a Sanjay Gupta film. There's one co-actor who's not here, Shad Randhawa. He did the film only because he wanted to walk in slow motion in Sanjay Gupta's film. He didn't want to hear the role. He didn't want to know what, sir, मेरा slow motion कांटे का walk होगा कि नहीं? And the day that was shot, he said, मेरी life settle हो गई. मेरे को उतना छोटा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे मेरी ख्वाहिशें ज़्यादा हैं. Thank you.
संगीता जी, आप भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं इस फिल्म की, अगर आप बता सके कि कैसा रहा एसोसिएशन विद भूषण जी के साथ में, एंड कुछ डिबेट भी होती है कि नहीं यहाँ पर पैसा ज़्यादा लगाना चाहिए, यहाँ थोड़ा कम, ऐसी कुछ बातें होती है?
सबसे पहले मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ संजय जी से, भूषण जी से, जॉन, इमरान. मुझे लगता है इतने बड़े समंदर में एक बूंद बूंद जैसे बन के आने का मौका मिल गया. और आज सिर्फ हम ट्रेलर लॉन्च नहीं, लेकिन लोगों का उत्साह बढ़ाने आए हैं, लोगों का साथ दें. हम सब जाके हमारे फैमिली के साथ ये मूवी देखेंगे, हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ देखेंगे. बहुत वक्त तक लोग घर में बैठे हैं. मैं आह्वान करूँगी लोगों को कि अपने चार दरवाजे के सीमित मत रहिए, जाइए सिनेमा देखिए. मुझे लगता है कि सभी भारतीय जो प्रेक्षक है उनका जो बोलेंगे ना, आपका कास्ट कौन सा है, बोलेंगे सिनेमा. तो फिर हम एक साथ आए हैं, इसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. और सेफ्टी रखिए. प्रोटोकॉल तो भूषण जी और सभी लोग, जॉन जी है, सभी ने सब सोच के इसके बारे में डिस्कस करके जो प्रोटोकॉल है उसको मायने में रख के इसको रिलीज़ करने का एक ध्यास लिया है. आप सभी सहकार्य करिए, आप सभी आइए, और इस सिनेमा को जितना आप सक्सेसफुल बनाएंगे उतना ही ये जो कोविड है इसको हम टाटा बाय बाय करने की एक हिम्मत जुड़ा पाएंगे. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
Hi.
Thank you so
Hi,
much,
sir.
guys, for being here.
Yeah,
Taking one last question,
Yeah.
please. Anybody?
संजय सर,
Here.
इमरान एंड जॉन के लिए क्वेश्चन. जैसे कि अभी जिक्र किया हमने OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स का, खैर ये फिल्म है, फिर भी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स को लेकर पिछले दिन, बीते दिन एक कई गाइडलाइंस आई है, कहा जाए दिशा निर्देश आए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कि कितना लिमिटेड रखा जाए. और इसके पहले इसी बात को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता था, एक्टर्स खुलकर काम कर पाते थे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर. तो बीइंग अ फिल्म मेकर, क्या कुछ आप कहना चाहते हैं कि क्या आपका क्या व्यू है इस पर, आप पर, और इमरान आप भी?
I really don't know. What about the OTT?
No, I'll answer that. See,
जी,
mic is not on.
on.
Hello? Yeah. No, so as far as, very frankly, as far as we are concerned, as I am concerned, it doesn't make any difference to me because I make my films for the theaters. We are not creating content for film, not content but films for OTT. So और अभी भी हम जो हमारी फिल्में बना रहे हैं तो हमारी अपनी गाइडलाइंस हैं, हमारा सेंसर बोर्ड है, and we respect that and we abide by that. अभी whether that material over there gets censored, not censored, I think concerns people who create content for them.
इमरान, आपने तो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म या डिजिटल पर काम भी किया है, तो आपका क्या व्यू है?
I think censorship anyways बहुत ही tricky है. अभी बहुत ही अर्ली है कि किस किस्म की फिल्मों को सेंसर किया जाएगा, वो सेंसरशिप लॉज क्या हैं. मैंने ठीक तरह से स्टडी नहीं किया है, तो मेरा जो आंसर होगा इट विल बी अ लिटिल इनएक्यूरेट. बट ये एक थोड़ा फिर से एक बहुत ही मर्की जोन है. देयर इज ऑलवेज डिबेट्स इन फिल्म्स आल्सो जब हमारी फिल्में सेंसर होती हैं. तो as time progresses we'll see where that goes.
Thank you so much,
John
guys.
Imran,
Thank you so much.
Can
We'll have to,
जॉन, इमरान, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा, दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम यू वर्किंग टुगेदर. आप दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस एक दूसरे के साथ कैसा रहा और एक दूसरे से क्या क्या सीखा?
So Imran has been, and I'm saying this on record, I mean, probably one of the most fantastic co-stars you can have. As a person, as an actor, as a human being, I've always been a fan of his for the films he's done. And मुझे याद है, I was driving back from Chandigarh, एक बारी दिल्ली तक आ रहा था, and I was looking for my songs, and the only songs I found was Imran Hashmi Rocks, Volume 1, Volume 2. And I realized that Imran Hashmi has got more hit songs than all the heroes put together in this industry. But leaving that aside, I think he's very intense. He's a good human being, and I think मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. I'd love to work with him again because not only am I a fan of his, as an actor, but even as a human being, he's absolutely fantastic. और जो काम करा है इसमें, the way he has done his role and his job in this film, he's absolutely outstanding. So I'm very happy. I'm fortunate that I worked with him.
Well, this definitely is a mutual admiration society here, क्योंकि I have the utmost respect for John ever since he started off. और हम मिलते रहते थे भट्ट साहब की ऑफिस में जब इन्होंने जिस्म किया था, और we've known each other for very long. And आप एक एक्टर की वर्क एथिक तब समझते हैं जब आप सेट पे जाते हैं. तो what really works big time for me is when an actor comes on time on set. And John is always on time and he's always involved. And without mincing my words, I can say कि ये जो character है अमर्त्य राव का, I can't see any other actor play it because he's so इतनी शिद्दत के साथ and with such honesty he has played this role. And as far as a human being, you know, people generally don't really know, you know, वो PR VR चीज़ होती है the actors put out over there, but there's so many things that people don't know about John. जब मेरे बेटे बीमार हुए थे, the first call that came, 2 calls had come from the industry, although we were not that close at that time. I remember ICU के बाहर बैठा था and John का phone आया था, and he said, Imran, if you need anything, I'm always there, and that really moved me. I think that goes, you know, और ये सब चीज़ें, you know, these things we don't talk about, obviously पेपरों में नहीं आता है, but this is the true character of a person, and you know, I have great admiration for him.
मैं एक लाइन कहना चाहता हूँ ज़रूर इस वक्त. पहली फिल्म में जिस्म में मैंने जॉन के साथ काम किया था, और अभी कुछ समय पहले जॉन का बर्थडे था, तो बहुत देर मैंने सोचा